Stop studying, start talking. Secrets to speak English confidently today. Welcome to your journey toward speaking English with confidence. Have you been studying English for years but still struggle to speak fluently? If so, this video is for you. Today, I will share powerful secrets that will completely change your approach and turn your learning into real practice. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and be part of our vibrant community. Why can't you speak English fluently? 1. You focus too much on studying, not practicing. Many learners think they need to memorize thousands of words and grammar rules before speaking. But the truth is, speaking is a skill. You learn it by doing, not by studying alone. Imagine trying to learn swimming just by reading books. It won't work. 2. Fear of making mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. They are proof that you are learning. Native speakers don't care if you make mistakes. They care about communication. So speak freely. Every mistake brings you closer to fluency. 3. Thinking in your native language. Translating everything in your head makes you slow. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. 25 plus powerful ways to improve your speaking. Speak from day one. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start speaking today. 2. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I am making coffee now. I will go to the store later. This helps you think in English naturally. 3. Use the mirror method. Stand in front of a mirror and talk for 1 minute without stopping. This builds confidence and improves your fluency. 4. Shadowing technique. Listen to native speakers and repeat exactly what they say, copying their pronunciation. 5. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing hungry, learn I am starving, let's grab something to eat. 6. Listen more to speak better. The more you listen, the easier speaking becomes. Listen to English daily songs, podcasts, YouTube, or movies. 7. Change your phone and apps to English. Make English a part of your daily life. 8. Join online English speaking groups. There are many language exchange groups on WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord. 9. Stop translating in your head. Think in English by naming objects around you. Table, window, phone. 10. Learn to paraphrase. If you don't know a word, explain it another way. Instead of refrigerator, say big cold box. 11. Answer and ask more questions. Make conversations interactive. Instead of just answering, ask back. What do you think? How about you? 12. Use chatbots and AI for speaking practice. Talk to AI like ChatGPT or Google Assistant to practice real conversations. 13. Try the 5-minute speaking rule. Speak English for 5 minutes every day, no matter what. 14. Play word games in English. Games like 20 questions or word association help you think faster. 15. Set speaking goals. For example, I will have a 10-minute conversation this week. 16. Learn pronunciation patterns. Learn common sounds in English, like the TH sound in this and that. 17. Imitate native speakers. Choose a favorite actor or YouTuber and copy how they speak. 18. Record your voice and compare. Listen to yourself now and after a month to hear your progress. 19. Read aloud every day. Reading aloud helps improve pronunciation and fluency. 20. Try role-playing different situations. Practice ordering food, making a phone call, or having small talk. 21. Use English in daily tasks. Write your to-do list or grocery list in English. 22. Join online English classes. Websites like italki or Preply allow you to talk to real teachers. 23. Learn from children's books and shows. They use simple language, which is great for learning. 24. Develop a speaking routine. Even 10 minutes a day is better than 1 hour once a week. 25. Have fun while learning. The more fun you have, the faster you learn. Today's challenge: try speaking in English for 1 minute, focusing on using the words you've already learned. Record the video and share it in the comments or with a friend, and watch your progress over time. Weekly challenge. Challenge yourself to have a 5-minute conversation with someone else in English. Even if you're a beginner, don't fear making mistakes. Experience is what helps you improve. Reading challenge. Read an article or part of a book in English every day, then try to summarize it out loud using your own words. This will help you practice speaking and expressing yourself. Listening challenge. Spend 15 minutes every day listening to English content, such as a podcast or videos, then try to repeat what you heard aloud. This technique, known as shadowing, will enhance your pronunciation and listening skills. Imitation challenge. Choose a clip from a movie or TV show in English and try to imitate the way the characters speak and their phrases, especially focusing on tone and rhythm. This will help you improve your speaking and interaction in a natural way. Online chatting challenge. Join an English chat group online. You can use apps like WhatsApp or Facebook to engage in conversations with others who speak English. Presentation challenge. Pick a topic you love and give a 2-minute presentation on it in English. Don't focus on perfection, but on expressing your ideas clearly and confidently. Friend challenge. Talk with a friend or partner for 10 minutes daily in English. Set a daily goal like learning 5 new words and using them in your conversation. Translation challenge. Try translating a short conversation or a paragraph from Arabic to English. You can also use translation tools and compare your translations with the tools to discover any mistakes you may have made. Bonus tip. Set a schedule for your daily or weekly challenges and activities. When you have an organized plan, you'll feel a greater sense of progress and motivate yourself to keep going. Always remember that language is not just something you study, it's something you live and experience. Learning it requires consistent practice, not just theoretical study. Every time you speak English, even if you make mistakes, you're getting closer to fluency. Start now and don't wait for perfection. Every small step brings you closer to your goal of speaking English with confidence. Subscribe to our channel for more practical tips that will help you strengthen your English skills. What's the biggest challenge you face when speaking English? Share it with us in the comments and we'll help you overcome it. Don't forget, success in learning English is a continuous journey, and with time you'll find yourself communicating fluently. Bonus tip. Stay motivated and keep challenging yourself every day. The more you do, the faster you'll progress.